Have you ever asked yourself why you feel so tired even after what should have been a restful night? If you're an older man who wakes up feeling like you never quite get your energy back, or if you find yourself fading by midday with no clear reason, you're far from alone. Fatigue in later life isn't just about age. In fact, there are real, fixable reasons so many men over 60 feel this deep, frustrating tiredness day after day. This video is for every man who's wondered if it's just getting older or if there's something more to the exhaustion. We're diving into 6 common mistakes that drain your energy, and more importantly, how to fix each one so you can reclaim the vigor, drive, and satisfaction you deserve, no matter your age. These aren't just medical explanations or vague tips. They're rooted in what older men actually face, and they're changes you can start today. Stay tuned until the end because you'll discover simple but powerful fixes that not only fight fatigue, but might just change the way you approach every day. If you're ready to stop blaming your age and start boosting your energy, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. Number 1, poor sleep quality and inconsistent sleep habits. One of the most common reasons older men feel tired isn't just about how many hours they spend in bed, but about the true quality of their sleep. Over time, it's easy to slip into a pattern of late nights, restless tossing, or waking up several times without ever feeling fully refreshed. Many men shrug this off, blaming age or aches. But the real culprit often lies in overlooked habits and routines that chip away at restful sleep. If your bedroom is cluttered or you're falling asleep to the glow of a TV, your brain never gets the signal to wind down. Those little blue lights from screens confuse your natural sleep rhythms, making it harder to fall into the deep, healing sleep that truly restores your body. The result? You wake up groggy, drag through the day, and rely on caffeine just to stay alert. It's not just about what happens at night either. Older men who nap late in the day or stay in bed long after sunrise can throw off their body's internal clock. Instead of feeling sharp and ready each morning, they move through the day in a fog, never hitting their stride. Sleep apnea, a condition where breathing briefly stops during sleep, often goes undiagnosed, adding to fatigue even when you think you're sleeping enough. Let me tell you about George, age 78. He'd gotten into the habit of watching news shows in bed and often fell asleep with the remote in his hand. He never realized that those habits kept his mind too active, leaving him restless and tired when the sun came up. It wasn't until his granddaughter suggested turning off screens an hour before bed, dimming the lights, and reading instead that he finally started waking up with real energy. The fix is often simpler than you might think. Creating a calm, dark, and cool sleep environment, sticking to a regular bedtime, and keeping screens out of the bedroom can transform how you feel in the morning. Even setting a gentle alarm and opening the blinds to natural light helps reset your body's clock, making each day start brighter and each night more restorative. Older men who make sleep a priority, treating it as essential as food or movement, often find their energy rebounds in ways they hadn't felt in years. It isn't about getting older, it's about reclaiming the habits that help your body truly rest. Number 2, skipping meals or eating unbalanced diets. Another common mistake that drains energy from older men is skipping meals, grabbing whatever's quick, or relying on an unbalanced diet. You'd be surprised how many men, after decades of structured work schedules, fall into a pattern of eating less often or reaching for easy options that offer little real nourishment. When breakfast turns into a cup of coffee and a piece of toast, or lunch gets pushed aside in favor of a late snack, your body never receives the steady fuel it needs to feel vibrant. Over time, these habits catch up with you. Your blood sugar dips, leaving you feeling sluggish or irritable. You may find yourself crashing in the late afternoon or needing another cup of coffee just to push through the day. Instead of feeling energized after meals, you're left heavy, tired, or even more hungry than before. And let's not forget the temptation of processed foods, packaged snacks, fast food, and sweets, which offer a quick jolt of energy but leave your body running on empty soon after. Then there's the issue of hydration. Many older men mistake thirst for hunger or simply forget to drink water throughout the day. Even mild dehydration can sap your strength, cloud your thinking, and make every task feel harder than it needs to be. I remember Frank, age 80, who started skipping breakfast after his wife passed away. He figured he wasn't hungry, So he'd just have coffee and maybe a donut at 10 to on. By lunchtime, he'd feel exhausted, and his afternoons were a blur. It wasn't until his doctor encouraged him to try eating a real breakfast, a little protein, some whole grains and fruit, that his mornings began to brighten up and his energy slowly returned. The fix: start with small, regular meals that include protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eggs with whole grain toast, oatmeal with nuts and berries, or even a banana with peanut butter can make a world of difference. Keep water nearby and sip throughout the day, aiming for clear urine as a sign of good hydration. Avoid relying on caffeine or sugar to push you through. These may perk you up for a moment, but always leave you feeling worse in the long run. Men who take time to nourish themselves meal by meal often find their natural energy returns. It's not about fancy diets or expensive supplements. It's about steady, balanced habits that fuel the body you've worked hard to maintain all your life. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 3, lack of physical activity and long periods of sitting. One major reason older men often feel worn out is simply a lack of regular movement. It's easy, especially after retirement, to fall into a routine where you spend hours sitting, watching TV, reading the paper, or chatting on the phone. While it might feel restful in the moment, too much sitting slowly drains your strength, weakens your muscles, and makes your heart and lungs work less efficiently over time. The less you move, the less you feel like moving, and that creates a cycle of fatigue that's hard to break. Physical activity does far more than build muscle or burn calories. It's how your body delivers oxygen to every cell, flushes out stress hormones, and keeps your mind sharp. When you stop moving regularly, blood circulation slows, joints get stiff, and your metabolism drops. Even small tasks, walking to the mailbox, shopping for groceries, or gardening, begin to feel like chores instead of pleasures. Let me share a story about Henry, age 83. He'd always been active, but after a winter stuck indoors with icy sidewalks, he lost the habit. Sitting became the default, and the less he moved, the more tired he felt. Eventually, he realized even walking up the stairs left him winded. At his daughter's urging, he started short daily walks around his living room, then out to the mailbox, then down the block. It wasn't long before his energy picked up and he felt more like himself. The fix doesn't require joining a gym or running marathons. Start with gentle stretches in the morning or a short walk after meals. Stand up every half hour and move around, even if it's just to refill your water or straighten up a room. Try light resistance exercises with a chair or use small hand weights. Activities like gardening, dancing, or playing with grandchildren all count as movement and can be a joyful way to build energy. Older men who stay active almost always report better sleep, brighter moods, and more consistent energy throughout the day. Movement is medicine, and it's never too late to add a little more to your routine. Every step counts, and your body will thank you with strength and stamina in return. Number 4, chronic stress and carrying emotional burdens alone. Another often ignored cause of constant fatigue in older men is the invisible weight of chronic stress and emotional strain. Even if you're retired and your calendar isn't packed, it's common to carry worries that don't let up. Concerns about health, family, finances, or even the pace of change in the world. For men who spent years as problem solvers, providers, or protectors, the habit of holding stress inside becomes second nature. But it takes a real toll on the body. Chronic stress floods your system with hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, these can leave you feeling anxious, restless, or completely worn out. Sleep becomes harder, headaches or muscle aches appear, and you may find yourself feeling irritable or down without a clear reason. Many men don't talk about their worries, thinking they should be able to handle them alone. This silence just makes the burden heavier, and the constant strain quietly saps your physical and mental energy. I remember Edward, age 76, who prided himself on never complaining. He was the rock of his family, always the one others turned to for advice or support. But after his wife's health took a turn, he found himself up at night, replaying worries over and over. The days felt longer, and even simple pleasures lost their shine. It wasn't until he began opening up, first to an old friend, then at a local men's group, that the fog began to lift. Just saying the worries out loud made them feel lighter, and he slept more deeply for the first time in years. The fix for this kind of tiredness isn't always easy, but it's simple to start. Make a habit of checking in with yourself about what's on your mind. If you can, talk with a trusted friend, a counselor, or a support group, someone who can listen without trying to fix everything. Even keeping a journal, praying, or spending a quiet moment in reflection can help your mind process stress and set some of it down. For many, small rituals like a daily walk, a hobby, or time in nature act as a valve to release the pressure inside. Older men who learn to share their burdens little by little often find their energy slowly returning. The act of opening up doesn't make you weaker. It makes you wiser and stronger, showing others that true resilience is about facing life honestly, not pretending it's always easy. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 5, ignoring small health changes and skipping regular checkups. Fatigue that hangs on for weeks or months can sometimes be your body's quiet way of asking for help. One mistake many older men make is brushing off subtle symptoms, assuming that tiredness, aches, or changes in appetite are just part of getting older. While aging does bring its share of challenges, real health changes like thyroid slowdowns, low vitamin B12, mild anemia, or even sleep apnea can develop so gradually that they slip under the radar. Too often, men delay or skip regular checkups, either because they feel fine enough or because they don't want to bother the doctor. But unchecked, these small issues add up, gradually stealing your spark and turning simple days into uphill climbs. Sometimes a single blood test or routine visit reveals a fixable problem, one that can be treated with a simple vitamin, a small medication tweak, or a lifestyle change that turns tiredness around. I remember Bill, age 74, who'd always been the first one up in the morning, eager to start the day. Over several months, he started needing naps by noon and stopped playing cards in the evening. His daughter finally convinced him to see his doctor. It turned out he was low in vitamin D and had mild sleep apnea, both easily treated. Within weeks, his old enthusiasm returned, and he felt like himself again. The fix: listen to your body. Don't brush off tiredness that feels new or changes that creep in without explanation. Make checkups a regular part of your routine and talk openly with your healthcare provider about what you're experiencing, even if it feels minor. Keep track of your medications, ask about side effects, and make sure you're up to date on basic screenings. Older men who stay curious about their health and who act on small changes rather than waiting for big problems often find that their energy and zest for life return more quickly than they thought possible. Taking care of yourself is not a burden. It's a form of respect for the years you've earned. Number 6, neglecting joy, purpose, and social connections. The last and perhaps most quietly draining mistake is losing touch with the things that bring you real joy, a sense of purpose and connection to others. After retirement or the loss of loved ones, many older men find their days quieter, their routines less engaging, and their sense of belonging a little dimmer. What starts as simple solitude can turn into isolation, a state that steals energy, motivation, and even the will to try new things. It's not always about being lonely. Sometimes it's just going through the motions without feeling deeply involved or inspired. When days blur together and conversations grow scarce, your mind and spirit can grow just as weak as your body. Scientists now know that staying connected to hobbies, to causes, to friends and family feeds your brain, lifts your mood, and even boosts your immune system. On the flip side, isolation or a lack of purpose can leave you feeling tired for reasons you can't quite name. I once knew Walter, age 81, who'd spent his life as a coach and loved every minute of it. After he stopped working, his days became empty. And though he kept busy with chores, nothing made his heart race the way coaching once did. When his grandson asked him to help out at the local baseball field, everything changed. The simple act of showing up, sharing a story, and encouraging others lit a spark inside him, and the tiredness that had followed him for years began to fade. The fix is to seek out, even in small ways, activities and connections that stir your interest and keep you engaged. This might mean joining a book club, volunteering, taking up a new hobby, or simply making a phone call to an old friend. Finding purpose doesn't have to be grand. It can be as simple as tending a garden, writing your memories, or helping a neighbor. Every interaction, every laugh, every shared moment breathes new life into your days. Older men who make space for joy and connection often find that energy flows back into their lives. Sometimes slowly, sometimes all at once. The world feels bigger, brighter, and more inviting, and tiredness loses its grip. And if you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Final thoughts. As we wrap up today's video, take a moment to reflect on these 6 energy-draining mistakes and their solutions. Which one sounded most familiar? Which simple fix could you see yourself trying this week? It's never too late to make small changes that bring back the vigor and zest you thought you'd lost. Remember, feeling tired all the time is not just the price of growing older. You deserve days filled with energy, purpose, and satisfaction. Making sleep a true priority, eating with intention, staying active, sharing your worries, being curious about your health, and seeking out joy and connection. These are not quick fixes, but gentle shifts that restore vitality from the inside out. Even the smallest effort, repeated over time, can build a life that feels more vibrant and rewarding. I hope these insights encourage you to pay attention to what your body and spirit need. You've spent a lifetime taking care of others and meeting the world's challenges. Now is the time to take care of yourself with the same dedication and kindness. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.